Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Rizko Meredesvina. In this video today, we want to presentation our discussion result about human between freedom and responsibility. We are from group 14. Here's the name of our group member. First, Haikal Atorik Rohiana. Second, Fizikria Khoirunisa. And third, Rizka Meredesvina. Definitions of freedom. Freedom are actions performed as desired by every sentient conscience. This freedom can cover every field such as education, politics, culture, art, and others. Definition of responsibility. Responsibility is an act or good deed that is done intentionally or not consciously. This responsibility is closely related to freedom and cannot be denied because everyone's actions have different risks. Big or small risks must still be accounted for. Albert Camus' philosophy of communication. Responsibility is a fact, a bond, a form of recognition, and also an act. In a Camus publication that November 25, 1948, stating in the underground newspaper Combat described his own consistency with Levinas' thinking. Levinas went so far as to claim that a person is a hostage to another once he experienced a call to responsibility. Like Levinas, Camus tries to explore his work and then calls for an existential responsibility amidst absurdities. These perhaps surprising confessions remind some of the earlier Camus fictions. For example, Clemens in the Fall is only concerned with inviting the other person into a new conversation and is not interested in taking responsibility for that person once that new understanding emerges. In the ethics of communication, in this age of absurdity and diversity, we need such a thing as the willingness and ability to listen carefully, and pursue and practice mutual respect, invite reciprocity and inclusiveness, and to live openly and responsibly by keeping an eye on the dialectic that is so inherent in a difference. In order to remain open and responsible, one must be able to entertain.
Case harm human rights in the case often occurs, and one of them is freedom of religion. In this case, the government institution that has the duties and function as well as law enforcement regarding human rights should be firmer in responding to it. This institution is the National Commission on Human Rights, Komnas HAM. Komnas HAM is an independent institution whose position is at the same level as other state institutions whose function is to carry out studies, research, counseling, monitoring, and mediation of human rights. Due to the lack of the presence of the government in handling this case directly in the community, it is the cause of case or incident of human rights violation. So, the presence of the government and law enforcers is very important and obligatory to protect human rights. As a law enforcer, of course, it is considered that they understand best what human rights are, and as a party that is expected to provide protection and a sense of security for the community. Human responsibility to himself. A just assassin created a plot controversy that is making progress among us, where the characters in the novel are chosen between two choices. First, they can choose not to help those with unhealthy disease. Therein lies their real danger in escaping to fight a disease which makes them even more susceptible to disease. Even if they avoided the disease immediately, they would still catch the plague and still die. The second option is to face the plague head on, risking your life to fight a deadly plague. And after all, someone will experience death. But in the end, the plague was brought under control, and the city returned to action as if it never happened. It's just that they are directly affected and will experience it. In fighting the plague, according to Camus, the best thing to do is solidarity. It is through and staggered response to the plague that the main character is found or creates meaning in life. Riggs, in his interaction with Tarot and Rambert, realized that the goal of his affairs is to do what he can because of his rules, not because he has any interest in dealing with the epidemic. The relationship between freedom and responsibility. Along with the times, the life of human civilization has undergone many developments. One of the things that was born with the development of the era of human civilization, that humans have freedom and responsibility. In this case, humans have human rights. In human rights law, the right holder is an individual while the duty holder is the state. The state has three general obligations related to human rights: obligation to respect, duty to protect, and obligation to fulfill. Individuals are also bound by the obligation not to interfere with the human rights of other individuals. Law number 39 year 1999 regarding human rights, chapter 1, article 1.6, which states a human right violation is any act of a person or group of people, including state officials, whether international or unintentional negligence, limiting or depriving a person, human rights, or group of people who are granted by this law, and do not receive or are worried that they will not obtain a fair and correct legal settlement based on the applicable legal measurement. Therefore, the state or government should not ignore it if it becomes aware of any events related to intolerance, events that have occurred. Conclusion. Humans have freedom and responsibility as a nation and state society. According to Camus, one of the ways to fight intolerance, or what they call the plague, is solidarity, which is to unite between individuals to defend and protect each other's freedom. In this case, every individual certainly has human rights. As the party most responsible for the presence of human rights in various parts of the nation and state, the manifestation of the direct presence of the government in society through law enforcement official or local government is obligatory. Thank you. That's our group presentation. More or less apologies. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.